Hello everyone, welcome to the LATEX full course. In the previous part I discussed major components of the LATEX document, and I discussed how you can center align the text, how you can left align the text, and how you can right align the text. The link is in the description box. In this part I will discuss how you can format the text. So this is my source and this is the output of the source, and if I want my text in the bold, then I will use text. Just wait, I will erase all the text and I will use text BF, and here I will write the text which I want to be bold. So text BF, and here I will write hello everyone, and now see the difference, and you can see the text is in the bold. Have a nice day, all the text will be in the bold. Okay, and suppose I want a text to be italic, then I will write text italic, and here I will write you will enjoy the course, and if I recompile it, you can see this text you will enjoy the course is in the italic, and here I will create a new line. So hello everyone, have a nice day, you will enjoy the course is in the italic. Okay, and again I will create a new line, and here I will again use suppose text italic, and I write the text like this. If I write the text, I will discuss formatting in this part, and if I click on recompile, so you can see this text is in the italic, and this text, the whole text that is surrounded by in the these curly braces is in the bold. Okay, so this way you can change the formatting of the text to bold or italic. Okay, and similarly if you want, again create a new line, and if you want the text to be in Roman, then you will use text RM. Okay, and here you will use this course is of, for example, let's say 1 month duration. Okay, and if I click on recompile, and you can see the text is in the Roman. Okay, and here you can give some spacing as well. Okay, so you can change the spacing from here. So this text is in the Roman, this course is of 1 month duration, as you can see. And if you want for example this course, you want this to be italic only, and then you can use EMPF, and you can set this course in the curly braces EMPF, and if I okay, you can see this course is of 1 month duration, and if you want this 1 month to be bold, then you can use text BF, and here you can use like this course is of 1 month duration. Very simple. So this way you can set the text to be bold, italic. Okay, and you can also change the font. For example, text in Roman you can, as I have already discussed. Okay, and you can change the spacing here by specifying the you can see 0.50 centimeter spacing is here in the text. Okay, similarly if you want the text to be a sans serif, you can use SF, and if I click on recompile, the font is changed. Okay, so this way you can bold the text, you can set the text to italic, you can set the font like a Roman or sans serif or typewriter, you can also use. Okay, another thing that you can use is the huge or tiny or large. For example, if I write like this, if I write a text is huge, and if I write like introduction, and here if I give the space to 0.5 centimeter, let's say 0.5 centimeter, and if I click on recompile, see this introduction text is huge. And similarly you can let me copy it, and let me explain what are the other options. There is another option, tiny, and you can use a small text here, small text, and if I click on recompile, and see this is small text. And similarly another option is large, so large, and here I will write a large text. Okay, you can see the large text, you can see the huge text, tiny text, okay, bold text, italic text, and text in another font, for example sans serif or Roman. Okay, now I will discuss how you can change the font size of your document. By default the font size is 10 point, and suppose if you want the font size to 11 point, you can simply in the square brackets, in it is called options, in the document class you will specify the font size, so 11 point, and if I click on recompile, the font size will be increased. And if I change the font size to 12 point, and see the font size has been increased to 12 point as well. So this way by changing only one command you can change the font size of complete document, so it's very easy. Okay, and if you want to use, so let's say if you want to insert a page number, then you can also insert the page number in your document as well. As you can see here, the page number is 1. Okay, and if you want a page number to start from let's say 4 or anything, you can change the here, you can change it here. So for example, if you want to change the for example, if you want to start the page number, so set counter, okay, and here you will set counter, okay, and here you will specify a page, and here if you want a page to be start from 3, you will use 3, and let me recompile it to show you the difference. See, now the page is starting from page number 3. By default page will start from page number 1, and if you want to the page to be started from 4, click on recompile, and the page is starting from 4. Very simple. And if you want to change the page numbering, you can also use page numbering, and in the page numbering you can specify, let's say, Roman, and if you click on recompile, okay, the page is starting from Roman. Okay, and if you want a page size to be starting from let's say, what are the another option, Arabic. Okay, the page is you can see is in the Arabic. And if you want to page a page, for example, let's say ALPH, okay, the alphabetically the page is starting from D. And let me delete this line. Okay, let me recompile it. The page is starting from page number A. And if I change to capital ALPH, the page is starting from capital A. Similarly, you can use the Roman as well. Okay, the page is starting from capital Roman. There is only one page. How to you can use different pages in the document, I will explain later. So for this part, I have explained how you can set the page numbering, how you can change the font size of the document. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. In the next part, I will discuss how you can set the title, what are the different components of a document, what are the different parts of a document. I will explain in detail. Thank you.